The only other thing is drop the back of the gearbox down.
Yeah.
Then you can get a heavy one in. I'm going to say, if the worst comes to the worst, just undo them and let the back end drop a bit.
And you can get a clearance then, can't you?
It would be enough to just give it another go.
With a bit of pipe.
Yeah.
It'll just crack when it goes, won't it?
Yeah, I've got the spannel brake. That is tight in there, my mate.
Yeah.
I think we might be dropping the back end down on that. So it's not working. Give us a bit, but not much.
Might just be enough, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might just be lucky there.
Yeah. I could have done with just a bit more to get that in.
If you've got a lever,
maybe holding it.
You've got a little bit of a lever under there.
Yeah.
You got a large persuader.
We'll use this instead, because now we can get this in. That's it, Brian. Pull down a bit. That's it.
In? Yeah? That's better, isn't it? Oh, salted.
Jesus, that's a thin, narrow thread, isn't it?
Hey?
It's a very fine thread.
It is, isn't it? I'd expect. It's normally coarse threads, aren't there?
Yeah. But they're laying a lot of faith in the plastic.
Actually, it doesn't look. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Pretty good.
Probably a little bit discoloured.
Well, it's done.
It doesn't smell burnt.
It's done 47,000. No, if it smells burnt, it's not so good.
Yeah, I mean the oil's still pretty clean as well. Yeah.
Actually, that is.
Not too bad.
No,
Job this is.
no.
It's not that because these are blind holes, these will be alright. It's them there where the water can get to the top of them that we might have a problem.
It's those ones that have, from what I've seen, that people have a problem with the side ones.
Here we go, Brian.
Okay.
Right,
So it's a case of letting that dribble out and then cap it up, isn't it?
yeah. Nothing else, we can plug it in. That doesn't need to be any tighter than that.
No.
It's water, isn't it? There's actually a Loctite on them as well.
Yeah, I noticed they got blue blue thread lock on them, haven't they?